Hello everyone, one of the trigonometric question. So statue of unity is given and two situations are given. The angle of elevation of top of the statue from place A, which is 80 root 3 meter away from the base of the statue, is found to be 60 degree. So for the situation first, I am drawing the diagram in using the picture itself. So this picture is given 80 root 3 away and the angle of elevation is given 60 degree. So now you can see easily that your image is PQ, the statue which is 60 degree from A, and AQ is given 80 root 3. Situation second, I am using red color to represent the angle of elevation of the top of the statue from the point B. This is your point B and it is given 30 degree, which is 40 meter, and this is 40 meter above the ground, and the height of the entire statue from here to here, it is given 240 meters. So now I am representing this situation. So second, as you know, it is 40 meters, your point B, and the statue PQ is 30 degree. The whole PQ distance is given 240. So in the third question, you have to calculate the height of the statue excluding the base, and also find the height including the base. So excluding and including the base, but the height of the base is given 58. So from here, tan 60 degree equal to PQ by QA. So tan 60 is root 3 equal to PQ by 80 root 3. So PQ comes out to be 80 root 3 into root 3, which gives you 240 meter. So this is including the base. So to exclude the base, that means excluding is 240 minus 58, which gives you 182 meters. In the third part, or question, find the horizontal distance of a point B, situation second, from the statue and the value of tan alpha, where alpha is the angle of elevation of top of base from the statue of point B. So as we know, the base of statue is 58 meters, so I am drawing it separately over here with the green color. So suppose this is 58 meter, and you have to find from B the angle which is given alpha to you. So starting first part, we need to find QB, BQ, which is the horizontal distance which we need to find. So tan 30 degree is equal to PQ by QB. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. PQ is 200 by QB. So QB comes out to be 200 root 3. So this, as we know, this is 50 meter from here to here, it is 58 meters. So this QR will be equal to 58 minus 40, which gives you 18 meter. Now to find tan alpha, it will be tan alpha is equal to QR by BQ. So tan alpha, as you know, QR is 18 and BQ is 200 root 3, which gives you 9 by 100 root 3. Tan alpha, rationalizing, so tan alpha equal to 9 to root 3 by 100 into root 3 into root 3, which gives you 3 root 3 by 100. So tan alpha. So the tan alpha comes out to be 3 root 3 by 100. So further, if you want to calculate, so tan alpha equal to 5.19 by 100, which comes out to be 0.0519. So tan alpha is equal to 0.052 approximately.